If you're experiencing payment failures on Valohai, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix common problems. Step 1. Check payment method. Ensure that the payment method you are using is valid and has sufficient funds. Verify that your credit card or payment account details are correct and up to date. Step 2. Review billing information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes browser issues can cause payment failures. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try making the payment again to see if the issue persists. Step 4. Try a different payment method. If the initial payment method fails, consider using an alternative payment method. This could be a different credit card, PayPal, or another payment option available on Valohai. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Valohai's customer support. Provide them with details about the payment failure and they can assist you in resolving the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payment failures on Valohai efficiently. If the problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.